Instagram recently had a campaign who got 25 winners of golden rings, and all of these winners got a unique color for their profile. Some of them are now visible on the screen, and they also got a gold ring around their profile picture, which will be visible whenever they post a story. And everybody is searching that how everyone can get these colors. First of all, keep in mind that these people who won the competition were the bold faces of creativity, the innovators, or either they were risk takers or storytellers who shaped their culture. So there's no way you can get it right now. The only way is be a bold face of new creativity, be an authentic innovator, a risk taker, or a great storyteller, and wait for Instagram next campaign to win this competition. And that way you'll get this unique profile color which these people are enjoying. But accept this, just stop wasting your time for watching those useless tutorials. They are doing it just for gaining their views.